Alright, the sun's coming up. We've just woken up and we finally got blue water. Not sure if you guys can see the bottom there, but looking pretty good. At least we'll be able to see something today and we will definitely be on. So keen as for that. Alright, Romeo's onto a fish. Oh, we can see color. Oh, it's a big pearl trout. Wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Let me grab it. Have a look at that. How's that feel, Rom? First coral trout. Beautiful sized coral trout. We're on. Let's keep getting going.
You open the...
Oh, another coral trout.
I caught another coral trout. Fuck.
Have a look at that, boys.
Holy shit, I caught another one.
Yeah, have a look at that. Beauty. That's what we want.
Look at that, Dad. I caught 2 of those.
Alright, we finished spearfishing and we hopped out of the water. We're now fishing. Romeo's already hooked up to 2 giant coral trout, so it's looking pretty good. The conditions are honestly so great. Like, just have a look at this.
Wait, no, put on the other one. Put on that. Oh, yeah.
It's just so flat. Like, honestly, couldn't even be a better day. The visibility here isn't as good though, so we probably won't go in for another spear because we were pretty happy with how it was before. And those bull sharks are pretty scary, so not sure if I want to jump in the water again, just because I think I'll just have a break for now. And yeah, just got this one. It is on. Have a look at the sounder. Oh, you show them the sounder? The sounder is looking insane right here. All right, have a look at the sounder right now, you guys.
Yeah, none of us have their bait in.
Holy shit, literally we're pulling up a trout literally like what, every 2 minutes now right now. Have a look at the floor. We've got a pile of them. We are just on. All right, we just got another trout. We are absolutely hammering with the trout. Give us a look.
On the jig.
Ew.
Beauty.
It's honestly just so good out here right now. We are just getting so many trout. All right, another fish on. Oh, it's tiny.
Beautiful.
Oh well. The sounder is absolutely going off. Literally, we've got, what is that? Have a look. Almost 15 meters worth of fish right now. We are literally hooking up every single drop. It is insane. We've got so many coral trout and it is so much fun. Let's keep going. We're on. Oh, big shark! Oh, big shark. Oh,
he nearly got it.
Shit, look at that bull shark. Woo. Coral trout.
He was very
big. Oh,
you gotta beat him up, eh? Is that legal?
Yeah.
He's a release shot.
Alright, we've hooked on again, another trout we're hoping for. No color yet. Oh, come on.
Oh, no.
What is it? Oh.
Sucker food. I fucked it up on the tail.
No coral trout, just a shitty Gamora.
Didn't even bite.
Yeah, we've been shocked again. Oh dear.
Look, he's pulling the whole boat around. You think I had a fish? Big smarter cod, off 50 meters. The ground shows nothing, but they're always there, eh?
Alright, awesome stuff. Eating the Pringles and eating one for a fish. Oh,
that was fast.
the little fish.
1 minute.
Woo.
Jig.
Pringles. Esky's looking pretty full. We've honestly had a great trip. Probably gonna head back in soon. And yeah, I mean, we couldn't have asked for better conditions. Still complete glass off, and I mean, it just doesn't get better than that. The viz obviously was a bit so-so, but still did some good stuff. Alright, so we're 100% done now, and we're gonna head back in. It's still a complete glass off, so ride home is gonna be super easy. And yeah, I don't know, honestly really happy we stayed overnight, and it was great fun. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's the following day. We didn't have time to fill any of the fish last night, it was too late, but we kept them on ice and we're gonna go fill them now. So yeah, it's gonna probably take an hour or so to do all these, but we'll get heaps of meat off them. Alright, we just laid out all the fish. This is what we ended up with, minus a couple of coral trouts that we gave to our other mate. So yeah.